Now of the necks, this one is the first one. This is the internal jugular veins. Behind to the internal jugular veins, C2 and C3 fibers of the ansa cervicalis. This one is the C1 fiber along with the hypoglossal nerve. This is the C1 fiber. This one is the hypoglossal nerve. This one is the hypoglossal nerve. This one is the C1 fibers. This one is the C2 and C3 fibers. This one is the nerve 2 sternocleidomastoid fiber coming from C2 and C3. This one is the branches of the spinal accessory nerves. It also supplies to the trapezius. These are the supraclavicular nerves. Hypoglossal nerve goes in front of the external carotid artery, below to the myloid muscles, above to the hyoglossus muscles. This one is the hyoglossus muscles, and it enter inside the tongue. So this one is the hypoglossal nerve. Just above to the hypoglossal nerve, there is a one nerve, another. It is the lingual nerve. This one is the lingual nerve. Lingual nerve, it is a branch of the mandibular nerve. This is the another nerve. It is the inferior alveolar nerve. The inferior alveolar nerves, through the inferior alveolar canal, it supplies to the lower mandibular teeth, and then it come out through the mental foramen as a mental nerve and vessels. This is the mental nerve. In details, once we reflect this one is the common carotid artery, this one is the external carotid artery. Here you can see this one is the nerve. It is the vagus nerve. This is the vagus nerve. Behind to the vagus, you can see this one is the sympathetic chain. This is the superior sympathetic ganglion. Here there is a middle sympathetic ganglion, and at this level this is the inferior cervical ganglion. So three sympathetic ganglion: inferior, middle, and this one is the superior. Which one is it is the larger one. We already discussed this is the vagus nerve. Inside we will at the root of the vagus we can see this one is the superior laryngeal nerve. This one is the superior laryngeal nerve. This superior laryngeal nerve gives the branches to the carotid, and it divides into the two branches. Here you can see this is the internal laryngeal nerve, and this one is the external laryngeal nerve. This external laryngeal nerve goes downwards and pierces to the cricothyroid muscles. This is the internal laryngeal nerve, which is pierced by the superior thyroid artery and internal laryngeal nerves. Here you can see this is the superior thyroid branch of the superior thyroid artery and internal laryngeal nerves. So this one is the superior laryngeal nerve, divided into the internal laryngeal nerve and external laryngeal nerves. Deep to it, between the external carotid and between the internal carotid artery and external carotid artery, we can see the branches of the glossopharyngeal nerves. This is the branches of the glossopharyngeal nerves. The branches of the external carotid artery, this one is the superior thyroid, this one is the lingual artery, second branch, which goes inside the behind to the hyoglossus and it enter inside the tongue. This one is the triangular muscles, myloid muscles. So the first branch of the external carotid artery, superior thyroid, lingual. Third one is the facial, this one is the facial. Fourth one is the occipital artery, this is the occipital artery. Fifth one is the occipital, and here there is a ascending pharyngeal have a common trunks. This is the ascending pharyngeal which goes inside the pharynx, inside the deep. This is the ascending pharyngeal. This one is the branch of external carotid which goes towards the auricle. It is the posterior auricular. This one is the occipital artery. And lastly, the external carotid artery inside the infratemporal fossa, it divides into the superficial temporal. This one is superficial temporal, and this one is the maxillary artery. Inside the maxillary artery, it gives the inside the infratemporal fossa, it gives the one is the anterior tympanic, deep temporal. This is the inferior artery, branch of the maxillary artery. This one is the middle meningeal artery. This one is the middle meningeal. This is the nerve to pterygoid muscles, nerve to artery to the pterygoid muscles. So here we can see this one is the